Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am going to be unboxing my BoxyCharm. So I haven't opened it yet, it's still sealed. I'm going to read you the details about each product that's in here and then test it out and give you like a first impressions review. I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know what I think about the products that are in April's BoxyCharm, then please keep on watching. Those of you that don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's basically a monthly makeup subscription. It comes to about roughly $30 and you get 5 full-size products, which is awesome. And they're like really good brands. So you get 5 full-size products for $30, so you can't go wrong. So, time to open it up. So this is what it looks like. This month's theme is eye candy. You get a list of products that were in your BoxyCharm, as well as some details about the products themselves. On the back you have some discount codes for Dr. Brandt and Tarte. This is what the BoxyCharm looks like once you remove that piece of paper. I like this so much better. The old BoxyCharms used to have this like it used to have like paper shreds in there, and it was so messy once you were unboxing. So this I like. The first product of my BoxyCharm is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner, and it's a pore purifying mask. Let's see what it says. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin surface. So this is originally $47. Next we have the Adesse High Definition Liquid Lipstick. I'm just gonna open it. Show you what it, When I was opening it, the cardboard like went under my nail. Don't be a little bitch, Jess, don't be a little bitch. This is what it looks like. Luxurious, creamy, long-wearing liquid lipstick. Provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of a wand applicator. Made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. Okay, this is $24. Next we have the BrowGal Tinted Brow Gel with Microfibers. The shade is Brown Hair number 2. I hope it's the right shade. So it's basically just a mini mascara wand, and there's little fibers that attach to your hair. And let's see what this says. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural fill to their eyebrows. And this is originally $22. Next we have the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. My voice just cracked. And the shade I have is Exposed. Glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense. Ultra concentrated pigments and pearls are suspended in the hybrid gel cream, oil-free formula that you can mix with your liquid foundation or wear alone for naturally lit luminosity. Infused with rose water, it slips softly onto skin and keeps moisture in with tapered squeezable packaging to put the highlight exactly where you want it. And this is originally $29. Last but not least is the Colourpop Semi-Precious Shadow Palette. And I will open it up to show you what it looks like. Oh, this is really cute. I like this. Okay, so all of the colors are shimmery shadows. The palette is really nice. I love these colors, but it is really nice sometimes to have the matte shades already in the palette. That way, you just need to use one palette if you're taking this to go. If I were to ever travel, I would have to take this palette plus another palette. But these colors are beautiful, and I actually cannot wait to try this. Highly pigmented shadow that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and silky. This long-wearing formula contains a unique combination of softer powders, which adheres easily to the eyes, gives a soft focus effect, and blends smoothly and evenly. And this is originally $26. So doing the math on all of those products, the total comes up to $148, and I'm only paying $30 for the BoxyCharm. So like it's a win-win. Even if you don't like a few of the products, I mean, this is $148 and I'm only paying $30 for 5 full-size products. So, you know, you can't go wrong. BoxyCharm is awesome. First product I'm going to start with is the Dr. Brandt Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. The directions say, after cleansing, apply a thin layer to areas of concern. Avoid eyes. Leave on 5 to 10 minutes until dry. A cooling sensation will occur. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week for maximum results. Okay. I'm just using a Morphe concealer brush and applying the mask to my face. It almost looks like there's like little mint chips in here, so you know when you have like the toothpaste. Yeah, I'm kind of excited to try this out. I'm just gonna put this over my nose and my pores on my cheeks. Also going to put a little bit on my forehead. A little bit on my chin. I'm going to wait 5 to 10 minutes and then I will rinse it off. I mean, this already feels like it's drying really quickly. I can feel the tightness in some areas. So it's been about 7 minutes. I am going to wipe this off now. I do feel the cooling effect on some areas, and I think that's where I applied the most cream, and it's where most of the little freckles are. They're like the little mint chips is what it looks like. I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna wipe this off right now, and while I wipe this off, I might as well let you know that I have signed up today for the master class that P. Louise Makeup Academy is offering, and I am super excited. I can't remember what day it is exactly, but I will definitely let you guys know what I think. It's pretty awesome that they're offering it because the Makeup Academy is in Manchester, and you know, I don't have the funds to travel to Manchester, nor do I have the vacation days to travel to Manchester and do a makeup class. So I love that I can be sitting at the comfort of my own home with just a laptop, dressed in my PJs. I have heard amazing reviews on their base, like their eyeshadow base, as well as their palettes and pigments. So I'm very excited to be doing the master class. I will definitely let you guys know how it goes. Upon removing it, I mean, my face is soft in the areas that I did have it on. I did like the cooling effect a little bit. It's kind of cool. I don't really notice a difference, but it's only my first time trying the mask out, so I feel really smooth and I like that. I'm gonna try it a few more times, but I mean, I've never tried a Dr. Brandt product that I haven't fallen in love with, so I've got very high expectations for this, but you know, their products have never let me down before, so I'm excited to keep trying this out. So I have applied my moisturizer, my serum, my eye cream, and I've noticed a little bit of redness on my cheeks. I'm not sure if that's a good or a bad thing. I'm hoping it's a good thing, but it's not something I'm too worried about. It's just I notice, yeah, I just noticed the redness, so hopefully that's not bad. I usually don't react to like face masks and stuff. It'll probably go away. I have applied some eyeshadow on the lids to get ready for the shimmery shades. I've also cut out my lid and I am jumping into the palette. I forgot to mention that the names are on the back of the palette, which is awesome. I love names on my eyeshadows. I'm not just going, it's the pink shade in the middle. I am going into Bashful, which is this shade right over here, and I'm going closer to the inner corner of my eye. Whoa. I don't know if you can tell, but like I barely touched it and it's very pigmented. That is amazing. I stopped about halfway through my eye. Next, I am going into Beam Me Up, which is the darker pink shade, and applying that to the rest of my eye. Oh my god. Okay, I love the pigment. Hands down, this is a great palette. I'm done the shadow on my eyes. What do I think? Honestly, the two colors that I tried out are very pigmented. I am going to apply one of these as a highlight for my inner corner. I will also apply one on my bottom lash line. I will also swatch them on my arm and show you the rest of the colors. I'm going to do my eyebrows. Really hope that this is the right shade. Feels like it's wetting my brows. Okay. It's different, it's different. You see some of the fibers. It's kind of cool, it really is. I mean, it is a little messy. I definitely have to go in and clean it now. But, like, it did the job. I definitely did not expect it to be so messy. But it's fine, like it did the job. All I gotta do is just clean it up with a little bit of concealer. But I'm going back in because I do like a little bit more volume. I'm not gonna lie though, I actually really do like this. Like, it looks fuller. It's doing its job. Final verdict on the BrowGal. I like it. It actually is my shade, which is pretty awesome. It's a great product. I mean, it says it looks natural, and that's exactly, it does look natural. It doesn't look like I've, you know, sat there and colored in my eyebrows like I do sometimes. But this is really nice. I do really like this. Next, I'm going to highlight. I was doing makeup and I was setting my under eye. I was trying really hard not to set anywhere near where I'm going to apply the liquid highlighter. You don't want to have liquid and then set it and then put liquid back on top of it. It'll move things around and it'll make things patchy. So yeah, I avoided this area right here. I'm gonna apply this to my finger and then apply it directly to the skin. I'm just gonna take a little bit at first. And then with a finger that has no product on it, I'm going to blend it in. I still have a lot of product left on this finger, so I'm just going to use the same finger to distribute the product. Okay, so it actually dries down pretty quickly. If you like accidentally don't blend a little blob out, it's kind of hard to. So my suggestion is working quick. Honestly, it's a hate-love thing with this right now. I don't know if I like it that much. Okay. You can build it up, which is awesome. I just don't like how fast you have to move it. Pros and cons. It's a pretty color. That's a pro. I like that it's buildable. That's a pro. Con is that it feels like it dries up really quickly, so you really have to move fast with it. You have to blend it out. Yeah, and if you like accidentally don't blend a spot out, you have to like scratch it off your face. But like it does look really pretty. I do want to use this a few more times just to see if like it'll look better with practice. I definitely wouldn't apply it to my brow bones because it's very messy. Yeah, but I do like it. It's a nice color, it's buildable. I'm gonna practice some more with it. Moving on to my bottom lash line, I am going into the color, the game, which is this color right here. Of my eye, I am going to use Up and Atom, which is this pretty shade over here. I did the swatches for the colors that I didn't use. Easy Go, which is that blue one, it looks like. Looks really nice. Celestial, which is this one in the corner. The green one, which was Upon a Star. Oh wow, that one's really nice. And then the last one is the gold one in the corner, and that's West Star. Oh, that one didn't really come out. I'm gonna do it on my thumb. West Star. Huh. Okay, so West Star definitely isn't as bright as the others. I mean, you can barely even see that I swatched it, and I'm pressing really hard onto my arm. I'm gonna try rubbing it again. Like, it looks like there's a lot on my finger, but then, oh, there we go. Oh. Okay, but I'm like pushing really hard to get that pigment off. But I mean, what, there's 2, 4, 6, 8 colors in the palette. There's one that isn't as pigmented as the rest, but I mean, it's a beautiful palette. I love it. I mean, it's pigmented, the colors are beautiful. I'm not even that mad that there's no matte shades anymore. It's totally worth it. It's time to apply lipstick, and I received the Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick in my BoxyCharm. Ooh. Feels like a gloss and a liquid lipstick. But the color is really pretty. There's a smell to it. Can't put my finger on it. So I figured out the taste. It's like peppermint, which I don't like. But the color is beautiful. It's really nice. So this concludes my unboxing of my BoxyCharm products. Usually there's 1 or 2 that I don't like, but I like them all this month. Very happy with the products. They all worked out. I hope you guys liked my video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. And I'll see you in my next video.